This device is the talk of the town, promising to deliver the flagship features without the flagship price. With the Nothing Phone 2A, innovation transcends mere functionality. It's an expression where design and technology converge. Behold the eyes, a pair of cameras ingeniously nestled within the NFC coil. Not just a visual delight, but a symbol, an icon of the Phone 2A's prowess, much like a brain. Behind them, the Phone 2A engages with our world, capturing moments, transmitting data through a symphony of visuals and sounds, and communicating wirelessly with seamless NFC connectivity. Every element is meticulously arranged upon a circular grid, an homage to precision engineering. This design extends to the phone's extremities, crafting more rounded corners that are not just aesthetically pleasing but also enhance the ergonomic feel of the device. The Phone 2A doesn't shout for attention. It earns it with coherence and a softer look that's as inviting as it is impressive. It's the culmination of form meeting function in the palm of your hand, turning everyday tech into art. Crafted by the ambitious mind of Carl Pei, the Nothing Phone 2A embodies a legacy of challenging the norms. Will it redefine our expectations for what a smartphone can be? As we dive into the heart of innovation and affordability. This is not just any launch, it's the birth of an era in the smartphone industry. Drawing from its premium predecessors, the Phone 2 and Phone 1, the Nothing Phone 2A brings essential features to a wider audience. The challenge is familiar to Carl Pei, the tech maestro, who now brings us an eclectic blend of performance and style. Under the hood lies the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro SoC, and on the back a dual camera setup stands out, not just in position but in performance, with the promise of a 50 megapixel photography powerhouse. The Phone 2A's 6.7-inch Amoled display with a 120Hz refresh rate dazzles in the palm of your hand, while a 5000 mAh battery ensures your day is uninterrupted. All starting at an incredible price of 23,999 rupees. But the arena is crowded, with contenders like OnePlus Nord and Xiaomi Redmi Note in the fray. Can the Phone 2A's unique GILF interface and distinct design stand apart in the competitive market? As we gear up for the summer and beyond, the Nothing Phone 2A, with its solid grip and clear identity, seems ready to weather the storm. It's not just a device, it's a statement. Nothing has set the stage for a phone that may just redefine the next 3 years of smart technology. The Nothing Phone 2A isn't about following trends, it's about selling them. Are you ready to experience nothing like before? Embrace the change. Embrace the future. The Nothing Phone 2A is here, and it's nothing short of extraordinary.